In this episode of Photoshop under 3 minutes, I'll be teaching you how to whiten your teeth in Adobe Photoshop. Sometimes you take a picture and realize that you have some yellowish or really bad teeth. I'm going to teach you how to get rid of that in this video. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing you are going to do is to right click and select your layer or the image you are going to get rid of the yellow teeth on the layers panel. Once it is selected, you right click and you select rasterize layer. With that all set, you go to the tools panel and select the lasso tool. With the lasso tool selected, carefully make a selection around your yellowish teeth or around your target area. So you carefully make a selection using the lasso tool. Okay, now our selection is made. All we have to do is to select or go to image on the menu bar, then you select adjustments. After adjustments, click on hue/saturation and you are going to see this pop-up window. After that, you click on master and you select yellows because we are getting rid of the yellowish teeth. With that selected, reduce the saturation to -100 and increase the lightness to 100 and hit OK. And that is it, guys. We've whitened our teeth in Adobe Photoshop. Sorry for this. We've whitened our teeth in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you the before and after. So this is before. This is how our teeth look before, and now this is how it looks right now. You can try this on different pictures to see what suits you. Okay, thank you for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos about Photoshop, and if you want to see more videos on the Photoshop under 3 minutes series, where we take you from a beginner to an advanced graphic designer using short courses under 3 minutes on Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching.